hydroxide mean heat ไม่ต้องเด็ดหรอ okay so that karom katugoy phastame pinimen ke tum la chapter bang chengpo na science lage ko pilo kya chemistry part chapter 1 okay so first chapter tum ko pilo lage first chapter lage tum ke ron ke pilo lage first chapter lage pilo chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reaction and equation. Okay, so that is first step tayo nagibro chemical reactions and equations. So tax itum chali ponong ko. Okay, that itum so chapter itum pila ni chibining to many key points ali. Some key points is there, so I will mention this. Some of the key point. Okay, so key point ng tum ni chibining ko pila first ke now okay, obviously there is chemical pila okay, chemical reactions chemical reaction okay second kapila so don't you bang ke pila chemical equation chemical equation kasudun ke kapilon ke that ako balance chemical equation okay so balance chemical equation balance chemical equations okay mapendet ke type of chemical reactions tame do type of chemical reaction no ako ke change sila ke the type of chemical reaction on call first capilla combination reaction combination lang po da okay ako la so dun tu ang po da decomposition reaction okay decomposition reaction second type of chemical reaction ka ko dut lang da ko pila ke non ke displacement reaction reaction dependent ako ko pila dut lang ke double displacement reaction double displacement reaction double displacement reaction okay double displacement reaction ako do thule pila next ke oxidation mapender ko do thule lagi ko pila reduction oxidation on reduction okay latun lahini pan pura pet pro teri hong si sia reaction hong sila oxidation no do lopen reduction no do ko han ke pilo puke ha so reaction ke redox reaction puta okay redox reaction puta okay hala si isia reaction on oxidation no do lopen reduction no do ko han pilo puke redox reaction ako dahil kung ni si nang ison do lang lagay ko pilo rancidity okay rancidity talo ke kudut lang okay ko pilo corrosion talo okay ako isi do lang that combination reaction ng alon tumong putulang ako lagi ko pidak ng putulang okay combination reaction alon tum pilong tulang ke exothermic reaction okay exothermic reaction okay lagay pilong tum combination reaction ng silong po ako decomposition reaction ng kulong matulang ng tumake so alo silang putil lagay decomposition alo so these are the point you have to remember in this chapter okay you must know in this chapter so chapter lang tum chini wek ni point ke ang lo song pong tong thelo puti para chong alai question ko hai bang ke solve lang ko hai di tomi la kitchen si bang hai alam thile ton chini bek ni okay bujilo ke di la no tekon ke di tokola cheto ke key points to go pe ke tum la a point ni na mi tum chali kona okay so kitchen si bai tum non chali kona la ke chemical reaction pen okay chemical reaction ko PNC play ma halan chali kona okay okay nono bang ke tum la chemical reaction sa puthak chaliam na okay chemical reaction ni ko pilo this is the process in which one or more substance okay substances lan ke pilo reactant possible undergo chemical change okay to form one or more substances मतलब so कपड़े का substance की form थी बंगा पीला पीके products possible okay products okay with different physical and chemical properties okay okay this occur through the breaking or forming of chemical bonds okay so this one n okay chemical bonds तुम के form पता है मतलब chemical bond के break पता है so a reaction के occur के okay so example I'm on non is water formation of water okay suppose formation of water that pila H2 that means hydrogen pen pila oxygen O2 form pila H2O daga ko pila hydrogen and oxygen duita react log ke pila form ke H2 that means water hydrogen H2 ke pila gas form apet O2 ta misi gas apet pila to pila apet ke liquid chaman de lo di H2O ke pila liquid okay lang chaman de lo okay so that balance no balance man ta tum lang okay so that no nam thang hydrogen ma ke duita dolo most ta me oxygen ba isivet so oxygen ha tum duita chaman ni da ko tu tok de na po okay most ta me non tu ba ke pila no lang ma oxygen bang hini chaman delo man to me hydrogen bang ke sarita chaman delo mani pli do ko okay pulo that pli chaman da so prang to wala botu okay la so puthak la pene balance chemical equation puthak bang bola isi ka prek ne a video long hala ban tu po hada ba tum detail step by step chali na okay no just understanding han na ka po buji han chuna si an kha chal okay la no na ko pilo da ke rota gas form ta sa me gas form boss to me chaman delo lage pilo liquid buji lage ekdom break dago a property masih break dago kali no kala di tapu has ko ke gas form ta me gas form a pit chaman thira liquid ekdom break dago lasi chemical reaction ke la sak si pom lo okay mane chemically change po aba ka break a substance form thir pala so a substance ke form tu ba mat ala so product ke a physical open a chemicals to me ko a properties bang ke chelar japo okay clear lo gadi la buji lo gadi okay la buji lo pote no itum isini point ning chibi ning dolang lagi okay okay like a chemical equations na ke the symbolic representations of the reaction using a chemical formula or symbol chemical formula mate a symbol use when tumhala so a represent ki to khaba ha speed of chemical equations bolo okay isi example en na okay pura isi example okay magnesium suppose la mona ke sensi ke pilo ke magnesium reacts with oxygen pilo to form magnesium oxide a sentence men topple de DOE di bonus to me tum pilo equation men topple de pathek me sabota pilo pukera magnesium reacts with oxygen and form what magnesium oxide one ke joy pen di la sila hal so hani pilo pike symbolic representation hani pilo pike chemical equations pusipom okay bujilo ke di okay balance chemical equations chaliam dia prang tumala isi a low tum class 9 ong chali long pothai po long loda okay conservation of mass po long pilo puke mass can neither be create nor destroy in the chemical reaction mutli mane chemical reaction ke a mass di la element of mass element puno molecule of mass puno pa kom tha thek thelo bare pa kom ta ilo mate aku pa baton ilo pusia rakpu di chemical la so along a law of conservation of mass long la si islam na no that suppose islam pa mo pen pathalo teacher kham to H2 means formation of water okay plus H2O okay no that temple then la mo na plus H2 pen O2 per ko ata be product long form ke only H2O oxygen ke isi ka juison lo di la prote hala law of conservation of mass ke da ke follow le de lo mate ob be de lo la sila support ko pa ob fan mate hala swat tank pen tum pelo ko pelo haswat tank pen kapa dami han haso ronat tank pen kapa follow han to tum da ke o tami pa chemana ko po di haso tank prote asi dak pa chemani fan ke pelo dak O2 mane aprang tu to ga okay so tu to ga pe la pen oxygen tami tu cheman de po di oxygen tu cheman po tumi hydrogen ma ga ke pelo 4 do thul na super ko dak top bottom pilo jo the 4 on ke hydrogen da 4 lo hydrogen 4 lo reactant ta product na ta okay na pusa le pilo pi ke reactant pilo reactant the puke product okay products kala product okay send the product okay na pusa ke nang non ke pilo reactant thuna ke hydrogen pli do golo product thunta hydrogen ke pilo pli do golo okay oxygen ke reactant thuna ke hinilo la puta me hinilo okay la pen la into that okay hinilo bujilo non ke balance lo so pilo reaction ke balance lo okay laso na kasi tum balance pano po apen laso balance chemical equation for step by step do nila kapre ka video na one picture phola step by step sa lining do okay hala step by step na thamo bo on ko ange buji jalo okay balance chemical equation mane hala law of conservation of mass is ka follow lo mane chemical reaction along ke mass ke pa button elo lapen pa kom tan elo phola tum law of conservation of mass along tum class 9 nong chali long la se haso ten se blake follow lo okay clear na buji lo ke balance chemical equation men buji lo ke la buji lo pro tenon ako kaprek ta dang thru men tum okay non ke tum type of chemical reactions le chali men okay type of chemical reaction okay type of chemical reaction de ma ke chali pana type of chemical reaction okay chengsi la ke pilo combination reaction okay combination reaction okay combination reaction na ko pian si pamlo no si hini la pen ke thom tai ma te ke thom na ong thai la tum pilo a reactant tum pilo combine pen si upwet a product ke form halam si pilo pi ke combination reaction pulo okay no la mo na ko pilo si islam a definition to ke na no de when two or more okay reactant combine to form a single product okay the reaction is said to be pilo the reaction is said to be pilo combination reaction okay lan si pilo pike combination reaction po bujilo jadi ko pilo pike combination reaction mane ko pilo when two or more reactants combine to form pilo a single product the reaction is said to be pilo combination reaction mane di hini pen abisi thai mate ong o thai okay hatum a reactor tum combine no mate pang room lo isia product ke form mane a product bang isia si form mate hala so reaction hane pilo puike hala so reaction hane puike combination reaction pusi ko okay hala so reaction hane pilo puike combination reaction okay bujilo ke di combination reaction ke okay example em nang ko pilo example pilo carbon dioxide gas form the carbon react with pilo oxygen ke O2 form ke pilo form ke CO2 carbon dioxide okay la tami ko pilo isi combination reaction black ko pilo dang mana C pen C tamil carbon C mane carbon pen oxygen combine on ke form ko pilo carbon dioxide this is what example of combination reaction bujilo ke di bang kela pilo combination reaction arlo dolang sia reaction ke pilo exothermic reaction okay la ke pilo exothermic reaction okay la pilo a definition to what ke the reaction in which the reaction in which heat is released along with the formation exothermic reaction buji lo kati the reaction in which okay heat is released along with the formation of product. Okay, the reaction is said to be exothermic reaction. Okay, example lamana capilla calcium oxide react with water and form calcium hydroxide. Mean heat release non bang ketung nam unang lagi kupilo decomposition reaction. Okay, like decomposition reaction man principle okay when one reactant is break down to give two or more simpler products. Okay, the reaction is said to be decomposition reaction. Mana dak bang isiet reactant hanu si di lahat pahang hang pen mate pahen no pen hini ke thum a product form pulte halaso reaction hanu ke decomposition reaction possible. Okay, example lam nan dak calcium carbonate di calcium carbonate han heat mate di pasolon ke form calcium oxide form lo. Okay, this one okay calcium oxide form lo lapen that ako ko form carbon dioxide CO2. Okay, that is here the reactant hon ke isiat bonds tami product not ke hini do golo. Okay, lasona reaction ne ke decomposition reaction possible. Decomposition reaction ma ke bujia log dinang tum buji lo prote pini bang ke aleng tom pon kok nang pina pe tum endothermic reaction do lang so lolong ke endothermic reaction. Okay, displacement reaction. Okay, double displacement reaction do lang oxidation ti reduction do lang ha bang tum mo next video lang tum chila chali pon na. Okay, so pini ke lang sing tom ni koklo si ang tum la so video ke lang buji ma buji lo pote komen apino buji jelang stumi komen apino apen buji jelang pote aku apong lang tinon an ke tum buji po. Okay, apen ke kachol di bang yang tum ka teng ton nang po la si pini ke lang tong mon ko nang do me thak me kardom